if you know you don't know how to fix a sharp edge net yoke like this, then this video is for you. I mean something like this. So let's get started. This is the base I'm going to use. You can see that it is separated and not joined together at the center front. So that pattern is the pattern I'll be using to cut out the net yoke I'll be fixing on this dress. So this is the net cut out already. So I'll be taking it to my sewing machine to sew one part of the base before joining the other part. So from the center front where I want the V sharp edge to stop, so I'll be starting the net from there, then sew it all around to the other side of the base. Just watch what I do in this video. So this is what I have after sewing one part. Then I'll be turning that part with the lining. So I'm starting from the midpoint of this top, of this half of the top, which is the nipple to nipple point of it. So I'm starting so that one side will not be affected, as in it will not shift. Then I'll be stopping it at that V point where I want the yoke to stop. Then notch and top stitch to the lining parts. So this is what I have after turning it with the lining. Then I would have to secure it together with the lining by holding it with my sewing machine. So now I'm going to add the other part to it. Just watch what I do in this video. It's very simple and it's not hard. So I'm adding the other parts of the top to it now. So this is what I have after joining the other part to it. So this is the inside. Now I'm going to cover that other part with the lining as well. Just stay tuned and watch what I do. So you have to top stitch, notch it and top stitch it. You see this part, you have to be very, very patient with the top stitching because this part is very tricky. Like you have to be very, very careful in order not to sew the net together. You have to take your time to top stitch this other part. Alright, so now I'm done top stitching and this is what I have. You can see this sharp edge. You can see that it is very sharp and it's not curvy. It's not curvy at all. It is pointed, like it's very sharp. So this is what I have after ironing it. Very, very flat. You can see the edge, that it is very sharp and not curvy. So this is the finished look after ironing and everything. Look at how clean it is. Look at how sharp the edge is. If you find this video helpful, drop a comment. Thank you.